Reviewsephocom Sephora gift card legit or a scam? Reviewsephocom Sephora gift card legit or a scam? If you've stumbled upon an offer for a Sephora gift card on Reviewsephocom, your first instinct might be skepticism. Most people get this wrong by assuming any site offering high-value gift cards for free or at a discount is legitimate. The surprising truth is that Reviewsephocom is widely reported as a scam. You won't believe what happens next. Users attempting to claim these gift cards are often asked to complete surveys, provide personal information, or download apps. In reality, no valid gift card is delivered, and sensitive data may be misused or sold. There are no credible customer reviews confirming successful transactions, which is a major red flag. Experts recommend avoiding sites like this entirely. Real gift cards of this value are never distributed for free online. Always purchase directly from Sephora or trusted retailers to ensure authenticity and protect your personal information. In conclusion, Reviewsephocom is not a legitimate source for Sephora gift cards. It's a classic online scam, and attempting to claim the card could compromise your personal data. Stick to official stores and verified platforms for safe shopping and promotions.